Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use the Google Authenticator app for your Microsoft account. Open Google Chrome on your mobile device. Search for Microsoft and click on the official Microsoft website. Tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and click on Next. Check your email for a message from Microsoft and follow the instructions inside. Choose whether you want to stay signed in or not for convenience. Tap on your profile icon again and select My Microsoft Account. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner and select Desktop Site. Tap on the three lines at the top left corner to open the menu. Select Settings and then navigate to Two-Step Authentication. Tap on Manage Two-Step Verification. Follow the prompts and select Set up a different Authenticator app. Download the Authenticator app from your App Store if you haven't already, and scan the provided barcode to pair it with your Microsoft account. Copy the secret key provided by Microsoft. Open the Authenticator app, paste the copied code, and generate a verification code. Go back to the Microsoft page. Enter the code generated by the app and click Next. Confirm that two-step verification is turned on and click Next. Finally, click Finish to complete the setup process. Now your Microsoft account is protected with Google Authenticator for added security. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.